App uninstalls of ChatGPT surged by 295% following OpenAI's controversial deal with the U.S. Department of Defense. Meanwhile, downloads for Anthropic's Claude skyrocketed, overtaking ChatGPT to become the top app in the U.S. App Store. Today, you'll learn why this disruption matters and what it could mean for your AI strategy. OpenAI, known for developing ChatGPT, recently announced a partnership with the Department of Defense, generating significant backlash. Consumers concerned about AI in military applications began uninstalling the ChatGPT app in droves, resulting in a staggering 295% increase in daily app deletions. In contrast, Anthropic's decision not to partner with the DoD, asserting concerns over AI surveillance and autonomous weaponry, resonated with many users, propelling their Claude app to the top of App Store rankings. For businesses and tech professionals, this shift indicates a growing consumer sensitivity to ethical considerations in AI development. Companies relying on AI can leverage this trend by aligning with platforms seen as ethical frontrunners. This could translate into reputational gains and increased customer trust. For example, integrating Claude for internal chat solutions might appeal to both employees and customers, bolstering a company's ethical stance. But there are risks. OpenAI's partnership could set a precedent for AI in military scenarios, raising ethical concerns that might spill over into the civilian applications of their technology. Additionally, while Claude's surge is notable, Anthropic faces its own controversies regarding its partnerships with other defense-linked entities like Palantir. To navigate this landscape, start by evaluating partnerships with AI providers. Assess whether their ethical standards align with your organizational values. Test alternative AI solutions like Claude in non-critical operations to gauge performance and acceptance. Review any existing AI practices to ensure they are compliant with data privacy regulations and ethical standards. Consider engaging with stakeholders to discuss the implications of these technological shifts. In summary, the spike in ChatGPT uninstalls following OpenAI's DoD deal underscores a critical shift toward ethical AI considerations. Keep engaging with AI developments, and for more insights into AI ethics and competition dynamics, subscribe and stay informed.